Hey guys, during rest here, I got another handful of pocket knives to show you. And we'll start off with this. We got a hawkbill, sort of a pruning pocket knife. There's no tang stamp on this one. And then you got your clip point and jigged bone. Okay, we got a Stockman here. It's an Imperial Frontier clip point blade with a swedge, match striker nail nick. Got a spay blade and a sheep's foot here. Really nice one. Alright, and that one was, I think it's from the early 70s, maybe 80s. We got a hen and rooster. I believe this one's called a peanut. Jackknife. They call this red pick bone, I believe. Silver bolsters. Alright, then we have this serpentine jack with the decorative plastic scales, long nail nick. Both these blades have half stops in them. Got a good snap still. And next we have this Toothpick CRKT single blade. Nice one to throw in the pocket. Okay, then we got this Barlow. Nice size blade there, long nail nick. Pin blade. Saw cut Doran scales. Alright, then we have, this is an old Walden. It's from 1870 to 1923. Used to be Bob's. Walden Knife Co., New York. Two blades. One's got it's like a spear point with a swedge on it, good for piercing. Long nail nick. And then this pin blade here. Somebody maybe put their initials here as well. And then this was my grandfather's knife, pocket knife. It's Casexx Cheetah lockback. Not in the greatest condition. It's got this swing guard, but it's all bent up. This is from the 60s. Kind of hard to put back in because this part bends out, kind of stops it from folding down. Okay, and then got this little KeyFob pocket knife here, USA. And then we got our Colonial fixed blade. Let me see. So this one was from the 60s and 70s era. It's got these plastic faux stag handles, kind of hollow filling there. Stag-lon. It's just over 10 inches there. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.